Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. And in this video, I will share how you can make money. $100 per hour, $200 per hour, to way up to $1,000 per hour just for reading. Who doesn't know how to read? There is no one I know who doesn't know how to read. If you can read from anywhere in the world, you can make money from this website. And in a moment, I will share step by step how to use this website, how to get paid. And if you stick around till the end of the video, I will show you 2 more websites where you can make money from in the same way. And not only that, but also as usual, I will share my premium software 100% free for you, so you get paid from another way that we get paid all the time. This will literally explode your income, and you can make all the money just by using your computer, your mouse, your keyboard, simply for reading. Before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next money-making video. And don't forget to use the share button and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts, as this way you become an awesome person by sharing a money-making system with your friends and family. Sounds good? Let's begin. Before we go to the website, let me share their traffic. It's important because traffic is the lifeblood of internet marketing. People spend all their money to get traffic to their websites, and this website gets 1.4 million monthly visitors, and they have 43% bounce rate, which means more than 60% traffic visit multiple pages, which put them into an authority position in front of Google or search engines. And search engines love to send them 40% of the total traffic, which is amazing for us because they get paid when their clients pay for reading, and we get paid from their clients because they have a lot of traffic, which means they have a lot of clients who pay them, and we get paid easily. When you visit their website, you will find they made this website extremely convenient for the clients. So the clients can browse around and find the service they're looking for, get their job done, pay easily, and we get paid fast. First, go to the section how it works. I recommend you check the client section because here they guide their clients how to use their websites, how to find the desired people they are looking for, and the promises they are making to the clients. This way, you learn how to fulfill the requirements of the clients. Once you are done, go to the talent section. This is where we make money. Again, we will make money only for reading, but go through the whole section because they made their website just like a step-by-step tutorial. So it's extremely easy for the clients and for the talents. The steps are simple. Create profile, upload samples, reply to jobs, get hired, do the job, get paid, guaranteed. And there is no other work but reading text. Now, in case you have more questions, the questions are already answered in the frequently asked questions section. How much does it cost to work on this website? The guest membership is free, but they have premium memberships available as well. This is for the most motivated people, and I recommend you start with the free version of the guest membership. Then once you start making money, you can think about upgrading your membership. Why do I need a portfolio sample? They have the answer. How do I get paid? They have the answer. Now, when you click create your free profile button, you will be taken to this page, and you can sign up using your email or your Google account or your Apple account. Again, it's free for everyone and it's available to everyone worldwide. All you have to do is to read to make money. How much money can you make? A lot. Literally $1,000 per hour, $2,000, $3,000 per hour, even more. A lot is possible. Sky is the limit. After you sign up, you have to fill this form: address, city, your country, province, zip code, and phone number. Click submit to get your account created. They will give you a welcome message and you are ready to get started. And they clearly show you how to go step by step. I tell you, I haven't seen. This is the best website in terms of guiding the users how to use them and get their job done. Clients come here to get their voices and you come here to make money. Everything is easy in this website because they guide you. Here is how to complete your profile. The next step shows you receive job invites and respond, and then get paid, guaranteed. Never wait on payment. When you are hired, Voice's SurePay system holds client funds securely. Once your work is approved, funds are released to you. Build your online reputation. Build success by keeping your profile and creative portfolio current. As you book work, clients can leave you ratings, reviews, and compliments that help showcase all you have to offer. The next step, select your voices and skills. So they have 4 types of offers and they showcase this on top of their website as well for the clients. In this case, for particularly this case, we will choose voiceover. And you can choose your voiceover skills. Can be animation, audiobooks, business, documentaries, educational, internet video, movie trailers, podcasting, radio, telephone, television, video games, voice assistant. Now in this case, you can choose audiobooks, business, etc. or documentaries or anything you want at the beginning. I would choose business and then add additional services if you think you can do. You can choose audio production, music or translation depending on what you can do. But at the moment, we will stick to voiceover. And then save and next. Click here to finish your profile and click here to view jobs. Let us see a couple of jobs. This one will pay you $500. This one pays you $375. This one $100 to $249. This one $500 to $749. All for reading, script, and recording voiceovers. In case you have absolutely no idea how to record voiceover, you need simple training from YouTube and free videos. Go ahead, look on YouTube how to voiceover, and you will find amazing tutorials free completely on YouTube teaching you how to record voiceover. And a lot of times you can record just using your iPhone or your Android phone. Once you start making money, invest your income in better equipments, softwares, and training. You can also look for voices.com. When you see their logo, click on it. This is voices.com official channel on YouTube. Why am I showing you this? Because go to playlists and the first one, the beginner's guide to voice acting, will give you every training you need to become a voiceover star. Why so? Because they need voiceover talents. They are providing the best training so they get more voiceover talents easily. So go through their trainings. They're very small, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, even 1 minute long. Learn from their tips and tricks. Use your phone, use the available tools you have, and start today. All you have to do is to read scripts, and that's it. Once you get a job, do the job, record your voiceover, provide it to your client, and get paid. Now I told you about 2 more bonus websites. Number 1 is Fiverr. My favorite, because there is a rating system and there are varieties of offers. So create a Fiverr gig on voiceover service and get paid. This is just an example. This Fiverr gig has 1,325 5-star rating. Considering only 5% customers actually come back and leave a rating and review, 1,325 times 20 at the total number of approximate number of total sales of this Fiverr gig, which is 26,500 times the price is $30, $795,000, almost. It's like $1 million made from only 1 gig. You can do it too. You just have to start. The next is people per hour. Now there are so many other websites like this where you can get a voiceover job, and only thing you need to do is to read a script that your client asks you to read. Finally, if you are motivated and you want to continue, all you need is my software, link in the description. This software will help you make videos without you being in front of the camera. Now you're going to use your voice talent to record videos, but the software will help you write the script using AI. The software is premium, but it's free for you, for my YouTube viewers. Go get it. Link in the description. The software will fetch elements, video elements from all over the internet, from your computer and from royalty-free websites. So it's extremely easy. Even by creating bite-sized videos, save it in the software, and then in one push of a button compile all of them into one long video, and then another push of a button publish them on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and build your own social media profile and following. You can teach whatever you want. You can make whatever video you want to make. And look at our profile. From this channel alone, we have achieved 21,000 views in last 28 days, which is very close to 1,000 views per day. This is amazing. And we don't even have the real skill of voiceover because it works. Again, all you have to do is to read the script your clients ask you to read from anywhere in the world. Link in the description will give you my software that will help you build videos if you are allergic to be in front of the camera. But again, there are other software that will help build your own blog automatically using auto blogging system and get more traffic from Pinterest completely automatically and from other social media sites. Go get them. Link in the description. They're 100% free. So did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online from anywhere in the world without technical knowledge, without a website, without experience. Anyone can do it. All you need to do is to give us a little support by hitting the like button, subscribing to our channel, and switching on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next video. Don't forget to use the share button and share this video with your friends and family. This way everybody learns how to make money online, everybody will be happy, you will look cool in front of your friends and family, and we will notify you automatically through YouTube when we will upload our next video. And we will see you in the next video.